Welcome to our short tutorial on how to use Hootsuite when you are given access to manage another user's Twitter account through the Hootsuite site. This is for anybody who might have access to participate in a Hootsuite team. It does not have to be the same team as what will be given in this demonstration. It'll show you how to add a tweet and how to schedule a tweet. It'll not cover the basics of setting up an account at Hootsuite. This tutorial is being done May 17, 2010. It is possible that the interface may change between the time you see this and the date it was recorded. The video will be available on the Surfing with Stan YouTube channel as well as the Sales Training and Networking Google App video site. I may post it on other sites as well, but you can count on it being on those two. I'm creating this recording using Cam Studio. I made my notes on how to plan your video available to the subscribers of the Sales Training and Networking site. You must be a subscriber to access those tutorials and those notes. We're creating this tutorial in order to make it easier to show our partners, clients, and collaborators how to use Hootsuite. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Hootsuite.com and log in with the email address that you've been given to manage this person's account. Once you log in, you'll see the Hootsuite interface. Basically, this is where you'll type your messages. This is where you'll select who you're going to send it to. This is a running dialogue that shows you the tweets that this particular account is following. What we're going to do is we're going to tweet John Nichols' event at the Community Prayer Breakfast. So I'm going to highlight that and copy it. And I'm going to go to Hootsuite. And I'm going to say, don't miss John Nichols' testimony at the Iron Men's Community Breakfast. Read more about it here. And I'm going to paste that URL that I got from John's address, and I'm going to tell this application to shrink it. And it's going to put his shortened URL right here. I'm going to select the two accounts that I'm going to send it through, and I'm going to read it one last time. It says there's 117 characters. Your maximum number of characters is 130, and I'm going to send it. And then I'm going to schedule the one for the super special speaker. And I'm going to say, don't miss the Iron Men's Community Prayer Breakfast featuring our super special speaker. And I'm going to again paste that URL in there and tell it to shrink it. And this time I'm going to tell it to send it later, and I'm going to tell it to send it next week on the 27th at 7 o'clock a.m. I'm not going to get an alert by my email when the message is sent because I don't need one. I'm going to hit schedule. Well, I'm going to choose the two accounts that's going to be sent through, and then I'm going to schedule it. And now that tweet will be scheduled to go out next week. Now I'm going to log out of this account. And this concludes our tutorial.